Hi, what is intermittent fasting? Does it have health benefits? How to perform intermittent fasting? And is it safe for everyone? These are the questions that crop up in the mind of many health enthusiasts. Intermittent fasting is alternate switching between a period of eating and fasting. It is not a new concept. It was there for thousands of years. Most of the ancient civilizations had elaborate method of practicing it. In India, it is still practiced in many families on various occasions. Thanks to the modern research, intermittent fasting has emerged as a powerful weapon against obesity, diabetes, heart issues, and many health problems. My today's morning walk was about a very important finding: how intermittent fasting protects your brain health and how it protects brain from the diseases like Alzheimer's and dementia. Now, the first question: how to perform intermittent fasting? In intermittent fasting, you don't eat for certain period of time each day or weekly. So, there are majorly three approaches for intermittent fasting. The first one is alternate day fasting, in which you eat first day and fast the next day. The second approach is 5:2. In a week, you eat 5 days and for 2 days you fast. You can choose the days according to your flexibility. The third approach is daily time restricted fasting. In this approach, you eat normally but in a certain period of time every day, mainly in 8 hours window. So many people skip their breakfast and have their lunch around noon, and then they finish their dinner by 8 o'clock. So in this 8 hours window they finish their food, and for the rest of the day they fast. These are the three major approaches to intermittent fasting. Now the question is how intermittent fasting improves your health. You will be able to understand this point very clearly in the last part of this video, when I'll explain about the latest finding related to the brain health and intermittent fasting. Here I would like to mention some other studies. These studies are targeting intermittent fasting as a sharpshooter of obesity and the obesity related diseases like diabetes, sleep apnea, and even some cancers. Studies also suggest that intermittent fasting may be more beneficial in the diseases related to inflammatory conditions like Alzheimer's disease, asthma, arthritis, and stroke. Now the last question: is intermittent fasting safe for everyone? I would like to refer John Hopkins neuroscientist Mark Mattson. He has practiced it for 25 years. Mattson says that human body is evolved to go without food for a day or more, or for many days. So if you want to practice intermittent fasting, always consult an expert, because all human bodies are unique. One of Mattson's studies revealed data on a number of health benefits. According to it, intermittent fasting is responsible for a longer life, leaner body, and a sharp and healthy mind. If we summarize other studies on intermittent fasting, we will find a number of health benefits. For example, improved brain health, improved heart health, improved physical performance, prevention of type 2 diabetes. And when you fast, a number of things happen inside your cells and in your hormones, and also the gene expression. Once you start intermittent fasting, your body initiates a process of repair of cells and change in expression of genes. It has been found that growth hormone level increases fivefold. Another important thing happens during intermittent fasting. Your insulin sensitivity is improved. Another very crucial change happen, that is change in gene expression. It favors the longevity and youthfulness in your body. And the last, that is the most important process, and the last part of this video is related to this process. This process is called autophagy. Autophagy is the process that is initiated with the intermittent fasting, in which your body breaks down the toxins inside your cells. When fasted, the cells initiate the cellular repair process, including a process called autophagy. This is the most important process which I am going to discuss in the last part of this video. Due to this autophagy, your body utilizes the stored toxins inside your cells, and this is how the cells become younger and healthy. Now, the most important part, that is related to the recent study which I have discussed in last part of this video. The brain is a remarkable driver. It controls millions of organs and organelles inside our body. But what if it itself gets affected? Age-related diseases like Alzheimer's and dementia pose a great threat to your brain health. In 3 major studies since 2021, the power of intermittent fasting has been revealed in experiments in promoting brain health and protecting it from the age-related diseases like Alzheimer's and dementia. Join me on my morning walk to know about this groundbreaking study, how intermittent fasting protects your brain from age-related diseases and also from Alzheimer's and dementia.